DJ's Prestige and Sports, where we've just acquired this absolutely and stunning Porsche 911. It's the Carrera 4 GTS, finished in a Miami blue, best colour if you ask me. It's fantastic condition, very high spec, front park distance control, larger upgraded alloy wheels, we're on Pirelli tyres, red calipers, vented discs, GTS badge there. It's got the all important panoramic roof. Absolutely stunning throughout. This car is. Comes with a remainder of a Porsche warranty as well. That's a real big benefit. It's got rear park distance control, twin exhausts, spoiler that goes up and down depending what miles per hour you're doing or whether you want to put it up manually. Well, I'm struggling to find any marks on this car. Absolutely incredible. Tinted glass. (911) Carrera 4 GTS. It's got the beautiful Alcantara trim. Two rear seats in the back. We've got a colour coded key. 38721 is the mileage, and there's more buttons in here than I know what to do with. I'll probably lose a lot of the spec, so I'll just start it up so you can hear it. You've got the different modes down here: Sport mode, Sports Plus, Sports exhaust, suspension. I'm going to turn it off for a minute. Cruise control, paddle shift on the gearbox. Obviously got all the goodies. No satellite navigation, climate control, heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, cup holders. Beautiful Alcantara finish on the dashboard, leather, tilt and slide panoramic with a blind, cruise control, steering wheel's lovely. It's a lovely place to sit. Absolutely fantastic, high specification. Those at DJH were full dealer facilities, include finance, part exchange and warranty, but like I say, this includes a full Porsche warranty. So please give us a call on 07503 751 005 if you'd like any further information. Thank you.